Hello everyone, welcome to the third video on how to use OpenAI built-in tools. In this video, we'll see how to use file search feature. In the previous two videos, we have seen how to use web search feature and file input feature. Let me just open the code. And there we have uploaded a file, a PDF file, and we were able to get the answer based on that file content. But if you notice, the token usage was high here because I uploaded a PDF file, and whenever OpenAI loads that file, it creates the text content and image content for each page. Now this file search will allow you to upload all these formatted files. You can upload Python, shell script, Windows document. So we will be uploading a DOCX file. You can even upload HTML, Java, or many other files are supported. And I'll use this particular document. It's a very small document, and this contains only text, and format is docx. This document gives an overview of Kubernetes secrets and security components. And here the steps are: first, you need to create a file, and in this example, either we can load the file from a URL or we can manually upload it. So this condition is checking whether the file path is starting with HTTP. If it is starting with HTTP, using request library, it will be downloading the file and loading it. If it is not starting with HTTP, this will just try to read the content. And we are using the function called create file, and in the create file, in this example, they are loading a file from this link, but we will try to load our file, and I have already uploaded the file here. Once we create the file, it will list in the files list. After that, we need to create an empty vector store. So vector store help you to do fast and efficient similarity search. Later, we'll have a detailed session on vector store. And then we need to add the file to the vector store. So we can see using vector stores dot files dot create, we can add the file to the vector store. And if you look into this particular account, the vector store is empty, and this is optional. So it is saying that we need to wait until the file status is completed. After that, we can start asking questions about the file content. So let's start coding. Here I'll add the API key. From here, we can just copy the entire code. In our case, we are going to use this file. And if you see here, this is already printing the data and returning it. So we can just run this. Now we got the file ID. It is ending with B8. We'll go to files, refresh the page, and here we can see the file. And file ID is ending with B8. Now we need to create a vector store. Copy the code. And we can see there is a vector store called knowledge base is created. Now we need to add the file to the vector store. And here we don't have variable called result. So we need to change that. I'll copy the code. I'll create a variable called result, and before adding the content we can see the file size here. It is 0 KB. Now we'll try running this. This is successful. Now we'll refresh this page, and now it is 7 KB. Later we'll have a detailed session on vector stores. Now as per the documentation, we need to check whether the file status is completed or not. This is an optional step. And here we can see status completed. Now we can start asking questions. About the document. I'll copy this, paste it here. Instead of this, we will pass this variable, and here we can see the type is file search. I'll ask a question, summarize the document. And here we can see the response. The file name is this, and this is the response. Now instead of this, I will try to print response dot model underscore dump underscore JSON indent equal to 2. Then I'll do a print of response dot output underscore text. There is a typo here. I'll clear that. Now let us run this. We'll check the token usage. The total tokens used is 3,749. And this is summarizing everything. If I ask, what are the Kubernetes security components? This is answering from the document. We can see here role-based access control, then network policies, all those details. If you are experimenting the feature, make sure that you are not loading the large files because it will consume a lot of tokens. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how to use file search feature in OpenAI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.